Welcome to tractor maintenance. And in this topic, I want to look at the importance of maintaining your tractor so that it is able to function well and last uh, for a long time. So, um, the tractor costs a lot of money, and you need to do daily maintenance so that it can be able to last. So, we are going to do a step by step process of how you do the daily checks on a tractor. And we'll start with the checking the engine oil level. First of all, we need to look at the importance. Why do we conduct the engine oil inspection? The first reason is to ensure that the tractor operates in an optimum condition. The second reason is it can help you in detecting whether there are any issues with your machine or tractor. Another reason is it helps in extending the engine life of the tractor. Another reason is that the engine oil helps in lubricating engine components. Therefore, you need to check it so that uh, you ensure that the right levels are there for the engine to be um, able to lubricate all the moving parts inside the engine. Another importance is to ensure that you get efficient fuel economy, since fuel is used in a tractor and you would not want any wastage. And finally, it helps in reducing maintenance cost, since you'll be able to be monitoring the usual operation. The importance of engine and oil: one, they help in cooling; two, it helps in lubricating; three, helps in cleaning and removing any dirt inside the engine; number four, helps in sealing between the compression rings and the cylinder wall; number five, helps in regulating engine heat by removing the heat from the engine, which would cause damage; and finally, um, the engine oil uh, helps in preventing corrosion inside the engine. The tools that you require: one, you need a dipstick. So a dipstick and a waste glove. So the dipstick and the waste glove, we're going to use it in the steps that we're going to highlight as follows. So we start with the first step. The first step is to ensure that the tractor is parked on a level ground. So this when you park on a level ground, you can be able to get accurate level readings, and you'll be able to tell exactly the level of oil inside the engine. The next step is to warm the engine. You warm the engine by locating the ignition switch, crank the engine, and let the engine run for a short while so that the engine oil gets warmed up and it can be able to flow easily. The third step is you locate the dipstick. It is easy to locate it because it is usually indicated by a bright color, so you will be able to spot it easily. And you just locate it near the engine. The fourth step is you remove and wipe the dipstick. The reason for that is you need to get the level at that time. So you use the cloth that we have indicated. You remove the dipstick and you wipe. Next step is you reinsert it inside the engine and remove it. So you're removing it and ensure that you don't put it in an upside down position. Next step is you check the oil level. So the dipstick has markers that will show you whether it is normal, high, or uh, in between. If it is low, the recommendation is you add. If it is too much, you need to reduce it so that it is on the right level. Too much oil or no, too little have similar effect of damaging the engine. As you're doing that one, you ensure that you're checking the oil level, you're checking the color and texture, and you're checking for any smell. Okay, as you can see, if it is low, you'll see on the dipstick. If it is the right amount, it will be on the crossed marks. And if it is in between, it is still okay. You can top up. Okay, so you add if it is less than maximum. If there are any questions, you can send me an email. Then I'll be able to respond to any questions that there may arise. Thank you very much and have a wonderful time.